Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to put in a new toner into a Minolta Bizhub C870. No, C87 Bizhub. So this is the new toner. It uses a TN321 BK. This is a black when you see BK. M is going to be magenta and all that. So what you gotta do, you have to come here on the side, you press this, then you open. So look for your black. This is yellow, magenta, cyan, black. So you twist it this way. You twist it this way, then you take it out. Once you take it out, this is super empty, so there's nothing here. Okay, then you're gonna open your new toner. Open it like this. Then you take out this guy, the new one. Okay.
Only October, 4 months. 5 months.
No. Sharp. Okay. You open that. Using one hand. You're gonna find something like this. A tape. You take it out. Okay. Get me? So now it faces in this side. Okay, put it in there like this. Then after when it fits, you switch on like this. Done. Then you are done with this. Then you close. After closing, the machine should be fine. So I'm gonna take this guy. Put it here. Throw that side. Yeah, there's nothing else you can do. This is what we've done. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.